13 rare mind-blowing facts about the Colosseum of Italy that you never knew. Fact number 13. The Colosseum once had numbered tickets. Ancient Romans received small numbered tokens made of pottery or metal that told them exactly which entrance, level, and seat to use, an organized ticketing system nearly 2000 years before modern stadiums. Fact number 12. It was once covered in marble and statues. The Colosseum originally gleamed with white marble seating, colorful statues, and bronze shields, nothing like the bare stone we see today. Fact number 11. Some gladiator fights ended peacefully. Not all fights were to the death. Gladiators were expensive to train, so many battles ended with mercy granted by the crowd or emperor. Fact number 10. It could empty in minutes. With 80 entrances and advanced crowd control design, the Colosseum could be evacuated in under 10 minutes, better than many modern stadiums. Fact number 9. Earthquakes caused most of the damage. Contrary to popular belief, earthquakes, not human destruction, are the main reason the Colosseum is partially ruined today. Fact number 8. It was nearly demolished by a pope. In the 1600s, Pope Sixtus V planned to turn the Colosseum into a wool factory with worker housing inside. Fact number 7. Gladiators were the celebrities of their time. Famous gladiators had merchandise, graffiti, fan clubs, and even beauty products made from their sweat. Yes, really. Fact number 6. Elevators existed 2000 years ago. The Hypogeum underground area had over 60 wooden elevators powered by pulleys, lifting animals and fighters dramatically into the arena. Fact number 5. It once functioned as a medieval quarry. After the fall of Rome, stones from the Colosseum were taken to build churches, palaces, and even parts of St. Peter's Basilica. Fact number 4. Over 1 million animals died there. Exotic animals from Africa, the Middle East, and Asia were brought to Rome and killed in staged hunts, venaciones. Fact number 3. It was funded by war loot. The Colosseum was paid for using treasure taken from Jerusalem after the Romans crushed the Jewish revolt in 70 CE. Fact number 2. Naval battles were once staged inside it. In its early years, the Colosseum was occasionally flooded to host naumachia, mock sea battles with real ships, before underground structures were built. But wait before seeing the first fact. Many of you are seeing my videos, but not liking and subscribing to my channel. Please, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fact number 1. It had a massive retractable roof. The Colosseum used a complex awning system called the velarium, operated by skilled Roman sailors. It could cover most of the audience and protect them from sun and rain. For more amazing facts, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.